Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee, and today I'll be doing a complete wash day and styling my hair with products provided by ECOSLAY. First product is their Peppermint Schnapps shampoo. Second product is their coconut cream deep conditioner slash leave-in conditioner. And the last product is their Jello Shot. These are the directions for Peppermint Schnapps hair wash. Says shake well before using. You shake well, apply sporadically directly onto your scalp, work into a lather, detangling hair, and enjoy the warm peppermint aroma. Rinse thoroughly. Alright, I'm back with freshly washed hair. This is all the shed hair that I had after shampooing my hair. I wouldn't have a lot of shedding anyway because my hair was not in its natural state. It was straight. And I don't have a regular conditioner, so I'm going to use the deep conditioner, banana cream deep conditioner. Refrigerate after opening. The product feels kind of lumpy. You see the lumps on my hand? There's little beads in it. Or lumpy, like I don't know. It's lumpy. Yeah, maybe you can see it right here. You see the little, doesn't bother me though. After shampooing, apply a liberal amount of the banana cream to soak your wet hair. Evenly distribute and leave on for 30 minutes using a heating cap. For extra thirsty locks, apply a bit of the banana cream as a leave-in conditioner. Some of the ingredients in here is also okra extract, marshmallow root extract, aloe vera juice, coconut cream. Alright, now I'm back with the deep conditioner. Distribute through my whole head evenly. Grab a clear cap. Then place my heating cap, which is the Hot Head brand. Put that on, leave that on for about 20 minutes to a half an hour. For the Jello Shot, it says to keep it in the refrigerator. So how you apply it to your hair, it says you can use it on wet or dry hair. For wet hair, liberally apply Jello Shot on soaking wet hair, air dry or diffuse. On dry hair, you just sporadically apply the Jello Shot on frizzes and flyaways. Okay. And the ingredients, I'll read a couple of them to you. The first couple of ingredients: water, okra extract, aloe vera juice, chamomile flower extract. That's a couple of the ingredients. And I'm not shingling, I'm just actually, or finger curling, whatever you want to call it. I'm just making sure that the product is distributed through my hair from the root to the end and just doing a little twist. Here I was getting a little excited because I knew my curls were going to be so pretty. Just look at how juicy and defined they are while they're wet. I know when they dry, it's going to look so pretty. Results from using ECOSLAY products. This is the 6-day wash. Oh my gosh, do you see my hair? So first for the Peppermint Schnapps, is it Snaps or Schnapps? Peppermint Schnapps. Snaps. Whichever way you say it. The shampoo, I want to say it was okay. Giving it a letter grade, maybe a C. It was very loose. I have used like liquid shampoos before and it lathered up really great on my hair. This one really didn't, even with the second shampoo, it lathered a little more than the first one, but I felt like it didn't really do anything to my hair. I didn't feel like my hair was extremely clean, and for it to be peppermint, I thought it was going to have my scalp really tingly, and it didn't. So that's why I gave it, let's see. So for the banana cream deep conditioner, again, I would give this maybe a D, C or D. That's because, number one, the smell. I was a little disappointed in the smell. I wanted it to smell really like potent bananas. Maybe that's a good thing for people who don't really like banana too much, but I guess you wouldn't get it if you didn't like bananas. But anyway, the fragrance was really, really light. And then when I used it for a deep conditioner, I felt like it was just sitting on my hair. It didn't help to penetrate into my hair strands. I felt like it didn't do anything. And because of that, I didn't even want to use it as a leave-in conditioner, because they said you could do both, a deep conditioner and a leave-in. So yeah, I didn't want to use it as a leave-in. Now for the star of the show, the Jello Shot. This right here is a game changer. Let me tell you, again, this is 6-day-old curls, and my curls are still popping. Nice and bouncy. So with this, mostly any gel that I have used, my hair is really crunchy the first couple days. Maybe because I'm heavy-handed, I don't know, but I do use a lot of gel. So I want to say at least 4 days, my hair was extremely crunchy, and it was kind of getting on my nerves because I couldn't even pick it at the root to help elongate my hair. So it was really short and crunchy looking the first couple days, which was fine for me because if it stayed crunchy that long, I knew when it started to loosen up, the curl was going to be popping, and I'll have another week I could wear my hair. So yeah, 1 week with a little crunchiness. Next week, my hair would look like this. Okay, with the results, they look amazing. Oh, so back to greatness, I would give this a A+. I really like this. And I didn't use too much, if you could see, because I do use a whole lot. The only thing that is a little, is the smell. It doesn't smell bad, but it does smell, I think it has okra. Let me go to the ingredients. Yes, okra, aloe vera juice. So you can kind of smell the okra. It's not overly powerful, but you definitely can smell a little twinge of it, like, But yeah, it wasn't too much that would make me want to gag or not want to use the product. Again, thank you ECOSLAY for providing the products for me to try in this video. Again, they are a Black-owned business, so I definitely was excited to try their products. All natural, which is also A+. If you haven't had a chance to try anything from ECOSLAY, I would definitely recommend this Jello Shot. Yes, this is everything. Again, let's look at these curls. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.